Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial I would like to show to you how to add a voiceover on your video using CAPCUT application. First, open your CAPCUT like this, and go back, and then after that open a new project. For example, I already prepared this video for you guys. And now, how the way to add a voiceover onto this video that you are import onto CapCut is by clicking this audio button on the toolbar. Click it, and then swipe left the toolbar, and then click record. This one is for the voiceover when you want to add for an explanation about the video or etc. And there's a few choice, one more, that's called text to audio, so click it. Here you can type a word onto these tools and then click done, and the word will be spelled onto a voice by clicking this a plenty of choice of a voice, different voice. If you click Thomas, it will be sound like this.
I'm Batman.
That's it. And after you done, there's a choice to adding a music onto your video by clicking this sounds button, this one. Click it, and there's a music that you can add to your video, or maybe a sound effect, and then adding it to your video like that. So if you want to record to voiceover, just click record, and then click this mic, this one. Click it, then wait to the countdown. Click it one more time, and don't forget to click this check button upside here. And if you want to change the voice, just click the audio effect, and then you can add an effect. For example, you want to hide sound, hide voice like this, or maybe you want to use a low battery voice like this. There's a plenty of choice that you can choose to adjust the voice that you are record and make it much more interesting. And yep, that's the way how to add a voiceover onto your video using CapCut application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you on the next video. Just keep watching Tong Tips video and you will see another interesting video tutorial. See you.